And just in case I can't get this, let me do a little trick right here.
I think we can go and we will use it after break. Also, we will do this.
I can't connect to the Wi-Fi in this building with this machine.
No, I'm not saying. I'm saying in this example you are trying.
Oh, okay. I'm going to turn on the camera and take a picture of this.
Yeah, sure, sir.
Applications. And it's photos. This usually takes a little bit of...
Should I hold for you?
No, it won't help. But I do have to do something. I need to mirror it.
Do you want my one is very fast camera? I will transfer.
I'm trying to save this into the video.
I see.
Okay, there should be camera, FaceTime, view, edit, auto flip. Yeah, it's still... Okay, let's see if this will actually work. There we go. That gets it right side up. So here is the steps in case we can't get this file.
Yeah.
And now we'll go ahead and actually follow our example.
Yes.
So let's connect here.
The video is on again. No.
It is on.
Yeah.
Okay, so here was our simulation model.
The value.
Start at 0, so we specify initial elevation.
Yes.
Then it says run the simulation. And the pressure is 79. Examine out. Disconnect this. If the pressure is bigger than 1, increase the elevation. So I'll wait for the server to come back on. And we'll go from 0 to, we'll make it 10, and we'll do it again. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
we're at 79. So examine the output with 79 decision. If the pressure J is bigger than 1, is it? Is 79 bigger than 1?
Definitely.
Yep. So it says increase elevation. Let's increase it from 0 to 10. Update the elevation value. We've done that. And then repeat the simulation. And now it says our pressure is 69. Is 69 bigger than 1?
Sure.
So it says increase the elevation. So we'll go from 10 to 20. I'm intentionally doing this slowly. Rerun the simulation. Now we're at 59. Is 59 bigger than 1?
Sure.
Yep. So we'll go to 30.
Yeah.
We're at 49. Increase that to 40. $39 is still bigger than 1, so we need to go up again, 50. You can see how much more efficient it is to let the computer do this instead of doing it yourself. But we're now at 29. Let's make the font size a little bit bigger. Yeah, it's a little easier to see. We're at 29. So we'll go to 60. Rerun it. Press the okie dokie. We're at 19, which is still bigger than 1. Increase the elevation. Run it. We're at 9, which is still bigger than 1. So what do?
We'll increase again.
Increase the elevation again. We're now at minus 0.29. Is that bigger than 1?
Smaller. Minus.
Smaller than 1. So our rule is if the pressure is smaller than 1, decrease the elevation. Now obviously we're not going to go back to 70. So what do you want to decrease it to? We were going up in steps of 10. Let's go down in steps of 5. Rerun it. Okay, it's 4.71 is bigger than 1. So now we have to go up. We went down in a step of 5. Let's go up in a step of 2.5. So that'd be 77.5. Doing bisection here. Now we're at 2.21, which is still bigger than 1, so we have to go up again. And this time instead of 2.5, I want to go 1.25, so it can be 78.75. Real close. 0.96 is smaller than 1, so it says
We will reduce this.
decrease the elevation.
Remove the 0.5.
Let's try 77. It's too much.
Good 7. Now it should be 78.
Gotta go up just a wee bit more. got to come down just a wee bit. Let's come down that much. Good enough. That's what we did. That was doing it by hand in the interface.
Yes.
If you're getting paid hourly as an engineer, this is the preferable way to do it.
I would say. But
if you're not getting paid hourly, this is the preferable way to do it.
Sure. But what step size you will keep?
Step size doesn't matter. You're after the end result.
Yeah, but it will automatically in the loop.
Yeah, in this loop, we were doing 10% changes, 10% of whatever the value was. And so we had to set the loop up. In this case, it had to have 1,000 choices. Watch what happens if we only give ourselves 10 choices.
It's fast.
Oh yeah, it's very fast, but it can't get to the answer.
Iteration. Internal iteration is insufficient for.
Give yourself 100 choices, and you're getting close.
Maybe 400 we can.
Give yourself 300. You still can't quite get there, but I think it had used 386. I think if you go to 400, it'll work. Yeah, up to 400 choices, you can finally get the answer.
Yeah.
This is a very inefficient methodology I showed you. It was just to demonstrate how to access the toolkit.
Yes.
This one, doing it by hand, we actually used our own intelligence and realized when we got close we could change the step sizes.
Manually.
And I don't think we need this example anymore. So let me go ahead and exit.
Can you save it? How can you save it? I will see. I will check it.
And that pretty much beats to death example 3.
Yeah.
We'll do example 4 in a little while.